Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to download Wix website media files. Your media files, images, videos, documents, are the actual assets behind your website. Knowing how to download them isn't just convenience, it's about backup, reuse, and control. If something happens to your site or you want to reuse content elsewhere, this is how you get it. Start by opening your Wix editor. This is where your site content and assets are managed visually. From the left-hand panel, click on Media. This opens your Media Manager, which is essentially your site's file storage system. What the Media Manager is, this is where all your uploaded files live. It includes images, videos, documents, PDFs, etc., other uploaded assets. Once inside, look for the section labeled Site Files. Under that, click on Show More. What this step does, it expands your full library. Instead of seeing just recent uploads, you now see everything stored on your site. Now browse through your files and locate the image or file you want to download. When you find it, hover over it and click the three dots, ... on that file. A menu will appear. Click on Download. What happens next? The file is downloaded directly to your device. It keeps its original format, e.g. JPG, PNG, PDF. It saves to your default download location. You can repeat this. You can download one file or repeat the process for multiple files. There's no bulk download button in most cases. You do it file by file. What you just did, big picture. You accessed your site's media storage, located a specific file, downloaded it to your device. You extracted your site assets for external use. Important clarifications. Downloading media doesn't remove it from your site. Your site still keeps the file, you're just making a copy. Also, you only download files you uploaded or have access to. Some system or stock images may have limitations. Use this when you want to. Back up your website files, reuse images or videos elsewhere, transfer content to another platform. Keep a local copy of your assets. To summarize, downloading media files from a Wix website involves opening the Wix editor, navigating to the media section, and accessing the site files. By expanding the full library using the Show More option, you can view all uploaded assets. From there, selecting a specific file and using the three-dot menu allows you to download it directly to your device. While the process is simple, it requires manual selection for each file, as bulk downloading is limited. Downloading a file does not remove it from your website. It simply creates a local copy. Understanding how to access and manage your media files ensures you maintain control over your content, whether for backup, reuse, or migration purposes. And that's how to download media files from your Wix website. It's simple, but it's one of those things you don't think about until you actually need it. Don't wait until something goes wrong to start backing up your files. Get into the habit of keeping copies, especially for important content. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.